You think picking a wedding dress is drama? Try picking a favorite child by accident. So, here's the scoop. I've got 3 sons and tragically, 0 daughters unless you count the cat, who refuses to wear tulle. My wife's always dreamed of the whole wedding dress shopping thing, but our first 2 daughters-in-law weren't keen. So my wife smiled, waved, and totally didn't Google adopt a daughter for a day. Cue son number 3, his fiancé invites my wife. They go shopping, giggle, maybe cry a little, and my wife gets so pumped she drops 12 grand on a dress. Yes, you heard right, $12,000. Now my older sons are calling foul. Suddenly, we're running a reality show called Who Wants to Be Mom's Favorite? But is it favoritism if the others never wanted her there in the first place? And is my wife supposed to say, sorry, can't bond, gotta keep it even? So, AITA for letting my wife finally have her dream dress day, or did we just unlock a new family grudge match? Let me know, just don't ask the cat.